Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change opacity of header image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the opacity of header image. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Headers option and go to the Insert menu again and click Picture option. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this, then click Insert. Then set the picture to this page. Now we want to change the opacity of this picture. Click the picture, go to the Picture Format menu and click the Format Shape option. Then go to the Picture section, then increase the transparency. Then click OK. Now we can see we change the opacity. We go back again and increase some. Then again click OK. Then go to the master page and click Close Master Page. Now we can see we change opacity of header image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.